So what's going on, everybody? Exciting news today. Today's the first day of renovation. I'm about to head over to the house and see my contractor. We're about to start a demo today. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm about to show y'all around, and we're gonna work. First day of demo. She couldn't be here today, but just wanted to show y'all around, so you have to see the process with us. Just a quick heads up, it's going to be a little noisy in the background because, as you know, there are breaking things. So just be mindful of that. We're going to try to talk as loud as possible and as clear as possible. All right, let's continue. All right, so let's take a look around. Okay, so before I take y'all around, I just want y'all to know this is going to be a quick walkthrough. So at the end of the walkthrough, I'm really going to stop and break down everything with you guys on what we're going to do here. So if I'm talking fast, if I'm walking fast, just bear with me here. You're going to see in a little bit. See the floors already started to come up. Pulling out the floors already. Bridge being moved. Come over here. See the cabinets being drawn out. A lot of stuff going on already. So I'm pretty sure he broke something that he wasn't supposed to, but we're gonna see tomorrow when I come back for renovation. But I'm pretty sure he wasn't supposed to do all that. All right, let's keep going. So that happening kind of made me forget to go over the half bath you're about to see here real quick. So you're gonna see that in a later video. All this is coming down too. Let me show you this one right here real quick. We pulling out everything here. Again, floors are going to be coming out in this room too as well. So here we realized after the tenant moved out that our original plans to paint the baseboards wasn't going to work. After the tenant moved out all their stuff, we quickly saw that the baseboards were done up and we probably weren't going to be able to salvage them. So that's an unexpected cost that I'm not too happy about, but it is what it is. All right, cool. So we're making progress. So I'm gonna update you guys. Actually, let me take y'all this way real quick. But before I take y'all this way, go subscribe. Click the subscribe button. You're probably gonna want to see what renovations look like after all this is done. So stay tuned for that. So you notice we're pulling out all the white cabinets in this house. We don't like white cabinets for this house. It doesn't look right. So we're gonna have a new design and change it for that. You're gonna see. Start pulling out the floors over here already and working on the bathroom. The bathroom's going to be looking very, very different by the time we're done here. And yeah, we're going to keep working. So we haven't even started here like that yet, but this is all coming out. Stay tuned. Around sometime later this week, I'm going to post a video of how the demo's looking when everything is completely out. All right, let's get into some more details. So here on the floors, what you're seeing is that they're really pulling out all the floors all over the house, both units, not just this unit. So we're replacing all the floors with new vinyl flooring. We just want to keep it consistent and just keep it all the same and just do a one-shot all just to make it simple and not really worry about flooring in the near future. So vinyl floors replacing everything there. We're also going to be repainting all the walls. If you've been looking around, you see that the walls are all sorts of colors and not really white. So we're going to be replacing all the walls with some white walls just to keep it consistent and make it clean for whoever moves in after. So this bathroom is a minor cosmetic change for the bathroom. We're not really doing too much with the bathroom upstairs. The bathroom downstairs is going to be a full gut. In the downstairs unit, what I'm referring to, is going to be a full gut. But up here, we're going to pull out the toilet. We're going to pull out the sink and the vanity, and we're going to put a whole new design in there. It's going to kind of make the bathroom look very different, but we really didn't do that much. We didn't have to do any new plumbing or anything like that. But the way we have it planned is really going to make it pop, even without it. Without any major changes. So you're gonna see. And for the tub, we're leaving that there. We did want to put in a stand-in shower, but we didn't feel like we really needed to make any major changes to this bathroom. So we're not gonna put that stand-up shower. Probably just gonna make this really shine and just have it looking new like that. All right, so thank y'all for watching. That's all I had to show y'all today for day 1 of renovation. Stay tuned. There's going to be a follow-up video with day 2 of renovation, and we're going to go over more stuff. You guys are going to see the progress that has been made, and yeah, we're going to see you guys then. So stay tuned and subscribe. Peace.